problem. What the maze problem says, maze is a confusing network of paths through which it is very difficult to find one's way. A maze is represented by a two-dimensional array in which zeros represent the open path. That means if there is a zero, you can move in the direction. If there is a one, you are not supposed to move in that particular direction. So it is one interesting aspect in which we can learn our programming skills. So for example, this is the example scenario. It is an entrance for the rat. So just for imagination purpose, it has been taken as entrance for the rat. One second. Right, is the situation or the scenario in which a rat will enter from one corner and it is going to leave from other corner. This is one corner from where rat is entering, and this is another corner and from which the rat is coming out of the confusing network. The rat is coming out of the confusing network. So what happens whenever a rat is standing here at this position, because 0 indicates open path. So only these you should remember. 0 indicates open path. 1 indicates barrier, closed. You are not supposed to move in that particular direction, or a rat is not supposed to move in that particular direction. So whenever you consider from this position, the rat has only 8 possibilities to go in 8 possible directions. So 1, 2, 1 vertical, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Only these are the 8 possible directions for the rat. So from here to here rat will go, then again from here to here it will come next location. Why? Because it cannot go in this direction because it is 1. So simply rat is following its way to reach the destination, because only zeros are open path for that. Whenever the rat is standing here, it cannot go here, here it is not possible, here it is not possible, and but here it is possible. But how it will look for the direction? Some convention is made in this programming. What is that convention which is being made? First, the rat will look for the direction starting from the north. Start from the north direction first, then the northeast, then east direction, southeast direction, south direction, southwest, west direction, and the northwest. So these are the 8 possible directions, and finally it will reach the destination exit. Now what is the problem here is, you will be given with this 2-dimensional matrix. You will be given with something which is consisting of zeros and ones. You should find what you should find, whether the rat can come out of the maze or not. Given some directions, you should find whether the rat has a way to the destination or not. Say for example, if these all are 1 here, if this is 1, this is 1. So after traveling across all the paths, the rat will come and stand here because it is not having open space further. So this is what is the given task, finding whether way is present for the rat or not. That is what is the given problem definition. And the present location of the rat is always considered as I and j. That is, presently it is located at, presently rat is located at ith row and jth column. Whatever could be the location, that is identified by ith row and jth column. If it wants to move in the north direction, that is given by north direction is given by I minus 1 comma j. See, usually in programming what we do, these are all representing rows. These are representing columns. So whenever you are at ith column, that means if you want to go to the north direction, that is nothing but the rat wants to move in the north direction, vertically upward. Vertically upward is identified by I minus 1, because from present row and present column you are going to previous row, but you are present in the same column. Please remember, you are present in the same column. From the present location, if rat wants to go to the north direction, what it has to do? It should go only to the previous row, that is I minus 1. Subtract 1 from the I, whereas j remains same because in the present column itself it is going to the previous row. That's it. If it wants to go in this direction, northeast, what are the offset values? From the present location, rat should go to previous row and next column. From the present location, rat should go to previous row and next column. So that is identified by I minus 1, comma j plus 1. I minus 1, comma j plus 1. From I, if you subtract 1, it becomes I minus 1. For j, if you add 1, it will go to the next column. Previous row, next column. So that is what is, these are the offset values. So what are the different offset values for north and east? For northeast, offset values are minus 1 and plus 1. That means you should subtract 1 from I and add 1 to j. That's it. Now similarly, if you want to move in this direction, if a rat wants to move in this direction, so this is the foundation for overall program I am telling, logic, how you should learn programming. Now from the present row and present column, if a rat wants to move in east direction, so just imagine how it is moving. It is moving from the present row, it is performing horizontal movement only. It is present in the same row itself, but it is going to next column. It is going to next column. So whereas I remains same here, j will be incremented. That is I comma j plus 1 will make the rat to go in east direction. Similarly, southeast direction. If a rat wants to go in southeast direction, so from present direction, what is the direction? It is diagonally right. That means you should go to next row and next column, both next row and next column. So I will be added with 1, j will also be added with the 1. So these are just the offset values depending on the movement what the rat is doing. From the present location, where it has to go now? It has to go to the next row because it is movement in the same column. How it goes to the next row? Just perform I plus 1, whereas j remains same because the movement is in the same column. Now, if it wants to come in this direction, southwest, from the present row, it is going to the next row and previous column. From the row, it is the next previous one. Come in this direction, west direction. See, the moment is in the same row. So we are not changing any value for the index for the I, but it is coming in the previous column. So j minus 1. From the present column, it is going to the previous column. Next, similarly, if it wants to come in this direction, what are the offset values? From the present row, it is coming to the previous row and previous column. Previous row and previous column. So that means what are the offset values? Minus 1 and minus 1. Subtract minus from both I and j. So these are the possible moves along the new positions. Only these 8 possible are given. In the given maze, wherever the rat is located in present location, whatever could be the present location I and j, from that present location, it can move only in 8 possible directions. It can move only in 8 possible directions, and these are the corresponding offset values. These are the corresponding offset values. The same is represented. This is all the theoretical example what I gave. But the only thing here is, if this is the given maze, we cannot check the border conditions here. Border conditions. So for that purpose, the whole maze is included. Pre-processing we are doing. Initialization what we do, include everything. A border of 1. What border of 1 indicates? 1. So beyond this it cannot go. Beyond this rat cannot go. That is what is border of 1. We are writing border of 1 for this maze. So that is what is written here. The same maze is written like this. Don't get confused. The same maze is written like this. What? All the ones are surrounded. The original given maze is surrounded by all the ones. What 1 indicates? Barrier. Because from this location it is not allowed to go out. So there is only one entrance and there is only one exit. At any cost, the rat should enter on this location. It should come out of this location, and will be free to give any combinations of ones and zeros here. And you should be able to find whether the rat will come out of the given maze or not. So these offset values are rewritten like this. Same whatever I explained are rewritten. For north direction, what was the offset? I minus 1 comma j. That is nothing but I minus 1 comma j plus 0. It can also be rewritten like this because we should find offset values to be added for row and for column. So this can be written like this. Offset for row is minus 1, for column it is 0. Similarly for northeast, I minus 1 comma j plus 1. So what are the offset values? Minus 1 comma minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 are the offset values. For east direction, what are the offset values? J plus 1 comma I plus 0 comma j plus 1. So here this normal I can also be written like this, I plus 0. J plus 1 as it is. So what are the offsets that we have added? 0 and 1 are the offset values. So 0 and 1 are the offset values. Similarly, all are the offset values for these. So how we got these offset values? Just based on these movements. What I explained. Just based on these movements. So once you have got those offset values, specifically in terms of programmatical structure, as you can see here, I have shown here in the once you get these offset values, I have shown the arrow mark here. This is what is the same table. Same offset values are rewritten like this because we are designing or we are developing the program. So for the north direction, assume it as direction 0. For the north direction, assume it as direction 0. So 8 possible directions are there. For all the 8 possible directions, we are trying to give some numbers. We are trying to give some numbers for those 8 possible directions. Because once we have the numbers, it's very easy to program the required things. From the present direction, 8 possible directions are there. Right? So what is that? 0. The direction numbering is being used. So in 7. So these are the 8 possible directions. For north it is 0. For northeast it is 1. For east it is 2 and so on. And these are the usual offset values. Right? Now the table can be initialized using array of structures. The table can be initialized by using array of structures. Like how? Let us use 2 offset values. Because what are the possible movements that a rat is doing? Only either it is performing vertical movement or it is performing horizontal movements. So let us take one structure with the type defined tag called offsets. So what are the possible offsets? Possible vertical movements? 0, no movement at all. 1, vertically downwards it is going. -1, vertically upwards it is going. What is the meaning here is vertical movement, possible vertical movements for rat. If it is 0, it is present in the same location. If it is 1, it is going in downward. If it is -1, it is going vertically upward. That's it. Only these are the possible vertical movements. Horizontal movements. If it is 0, it is not performing any of the horizontal movements. If it is 1, it is going horizontal right. If it is -1, it is going horizontal left. Very simple. These are the 4 possible movements and they have been given with the initial values. So assumptions are being made, vertical and horizontal index values. And whatever these offsets I told here, these offsets have been taken in the offset structure, that is array of structure. Movement of 0 will get what? -1 comma 0. That means if a rat wants to move in the north direction, I'll explain one example in this. If a rat wants to move in north direction, what are the index values? -1 and 0. If a rat wants to move in northeast direction, what are the offset values? -1 and 1. So how we got these values? That is already explained. Like this we have got. How we have got this? Based on this. How we have got this? Based on these theoretical concepts. So we will be having some theoretical foundation, and based on that we are trying to develop the code with which the rat can perform different movements. And what is the initialization? There is always an entrance for the rat at 1 1. What is that 1 1? That is the location where the rat can start. See here. I'll index, give index values for this 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then it is 0 1 2 3 4 5. I'll just tell the logic. I'll not explain the whole program. Else you'll get confused. 0 0. This is 1. 1 first row, first column is what? This is 0. I hope you can concentrate. Where this location is present? First row and first column. So 1 1. This is where the opening situation. Where rat is entering? Rat is entering at this location. What is that location? First row and first column. Always there is a possibility at first row and first column. So that is how we are starting. But it says there is always an entrance for the rat at position 1 1. So mark this initial position of rat and save it onto the stack using the following statement. What is that? Mark of 1 1 equal to 1. So what it indicates? Rat can always travel in that particular direction. What is the present position where rat is located? It is located at first row. Position dot row is 1. Position dot column is 1. Position dot direction is 0. So it is located at first row and first column, and it is trying to go in the north direction. So the meaning of this here is rat is located here. What is the location? It is present in first row and first column. And what the direction 0, what it indicates? From this location, it is attempting to go in this direction, north direction. Why? Because convention we are following. First rat will check perform movement in the north direction. If it is not possible for it, it will come back and check in this direction. If it's not possible here, it will come back and check in this direction. If it is not possible, it will check in this direction. If it is not possible, check in this direction. So clockwise it will be checking. Right? Then how do we obtain the present position? Just take the topmost element from the stack and present position will be obtained. The present row value is given by position dot row, present column value is given by position dot column, and present direction is given by position dot direction. In this scenario, what is that? It is just 1 1. What is present dot row? It is 1. Present column is also 1. Present direction is also in the 0. So that's it. To find more moves from the current position, that is from this current position, how it can move. This is just an understanding logic for you. Later you can read it and try to understand the program, the coding part. So whenever it is present here, where it is present, first row, first column, and attempt will be always made in this direction. That is also known to us. In north direction, first it has to check. From the present row, or for movement in this 0th direction and with the vertical aspect value. That is, it can go in the next row and next column, provided if it wants to go to the next row, it has to perform vertical movement. If it has to go in the next column, it has to perform horizontal movement. So having those values, next row and next column, what is that? This is what is next row and next column. It can have two values, either it is 0 or it is 1. It can have two values, either it is 0 or it is 1. If it is 0, it can move. If it is 0, it can move. If it is 1, it cannot move. So that's what we have to check here. What is that? If next row is exit row and next column is exit column, then finally it is true. What is the exit row indicates? Finally it has reached the destination. I'll go back to figure and show. This is what is exit row and exit column. After traveling all this path, it has found that. That is terminating condition. Successfully there is a way. There is not a way. What you have to do? Check whether next row and next column is it 0. If it is 0, then only you can move. And next row and next column, is it also 0? That is mark and maze. Maze means whether it is 0 and 1 it is checking. Mark means whether it is already repeated. Already it is visited in that location, because it is not supposed to come back to the same location. So I will explain with this diagram. So from here to here, rat will move here. Again, it will come in this direction, in this direction. So whenever it is performing this movement, whenever it is present here, rat should always go to the other 8 directions. It is not supposed to come back in the previous direction. No. From here, rat is moving in this direction. After some point of time, it is not allowed to come back to this location. That is what is the convention. It should not come back to the same location. It should try to reach the destination. It should not come back to the previous location. That's what we are checking here. What? Whether it is also 0. If it is 1, it is not visited. So we will make it 1 once after the rat visit. So if it is 0, if both the conditions are true, go to that location, update the directions, and then go to the next row and next column. If it is not possible for the rat, to move in the north direction, come back and try in the next direction. What is that? Northeast direction. That's what we are implementing it. How? Just increment the direction, plus direction. If the present value of direction is 0, it will become 1. It will become 1. Even after trying in the northeast direction, it is not possible for it. Come back and try in this direction. That means increment the direction by 1. So this was just a logic for you, which is the combined program. So C program, compile, offset values are given. This is the sample maze given as per the tracing. So you trace it on your own. I'll be giving this program. The logic is explained. So kindly you do revise the concept once again, because the logic I have told and the different possible steps which are involved in reaching the destination. So always you should remember 0 indicates those meaning of those zeros and ones.